Hey foodies, and welcome to Cooking with Kiana. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make another easy chicken recipe. Alright, today we're going to be making stuffed Tuscan chicken breast. This is absolutely delicious and perfect if you're on a low carb or keto diet. So let's get into the video. So here's all the ingredients that you're going to be needing for this recipe. You're going to need 1 small onion chopped finely, some sun-dried tomatoes, cream cheese. I like the whipped cream cheese because it's easier to mix. Some cheddar cheese or mozzarella cheese. Some garlic sea salt or regular salt and some olive oil. And then I have some mushrooms as well as the seasonings that we're going to be using for the chicken. For the chicken, I'm using 2 teaspoons of onion powder, a teaspoon of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, a teaspoon of creole seasoning, and 2 teaspoons of complete seasoning. All right, so first you want to start off with some freshly washed and patted dried chicken. And I'm going to go ahead and butterfly for this. And I'm just going to show you how to do this real quick. You just slide that knife down and just make sure you don't cut it in half. You just want to cut it halfway through until you have a pocket. And there you go. Now I'm just going to show you guys how to do this one more time. Now, when you're cutting these chickens, make sure you get a thick chicken breast. That way it's easier for you to cut it. All right, so now that we're done with that, we're gonna go ahead and season these up. So I like to add some olive oil on there just to help that seasoning better stick. And of course, it gives it a nice flavor as well. Make sure you flip that over, massage that in well. Make sure you get inside that pocket as well, just to make sure those seasonings really stick to those chicken breasts. All right, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and take that seasoning. I'm gonna mix that all together. Once that is mixed, we're just gonna go ahead and add that to our chicken. Just gonna make sure you open that up, season the inside as well as turning that over and flipping it around and seasoning the back too. You wanna make sure you get seasoning everywhere. However, we are not going to use all of the seasoning. We're going to reserve some of that for later. Okay, so now you want to go in with your hands and make sure you really massage that seasoning in. And like I said before, make sure you open that up, get in that pockets as well. Really spread that seasoning out. Make sure you hit the back. And don't be scared to add a little bit of seasoning to those pockets. That will not make this chicken salty, I promise you. All right, so once you're done rubbing these down, we're gonna set this aside and make the stuffing. So I'm gonna set my skillet to a medium to low heat, add some oil, and I'm gonna add in those onions, and I'm gonna stir those until those become translucent. Once those become translucent, I'm gonna add in my mushroom, and I'm gonna stir that in as well. And we're gonna add a little bit of the leftover of that seasoning that I told you to reserve, not all of it, just a little bit, as well as a little bit of garlic salt. And we're gonna keep stirring this until my mushrooms get tender and soft, and that is how we know that is done. Once that is done, we're gonna go ahead and set that aside, let that cool off while I chop up the rest of the ingredients we're gonna be using for this stuffing. So I'm gonna take a handful of baby spinach, and I'm just gonna go ahead and chop this up. I'm just gonna roughly chop this. I wanna add a lot because you gotta keep in mind that when spinach cooks out, it turns into nothing anyways. So that's why I went ahead and chopped that up so I could add more spinach. Now I'm going to add in 8 ounces of cream cheese. And I use the whipped cream cheese because it's way easier to mix. You want to go ahead and mix that up. And now we're going to add in those mushrooms and onions, as well as a half a cup of sun-dried tomatoes, 1/4 of a cup of mozzarella cheese or cheddar cheese. And I'm also going to add in the remainder of the seasoning mix that we made. And you're just gonna go ahead and mix that in. All right, so now it's time to stuff these chicken breasts. And this is just really simple. You just wanna go ahead and stuff that in. Make sure you pack that in good and close it. Now you can use toothpicks to better secure the chicken breast so none of the stuffing leaks out. That's another alternative. Or just don't add as much stuffing as I did. All right, so now you wanna go ahead and put your heat on a medium to high. And I'm gonna add in those chicken breasts. And we are just going to cook those on each side for about 4 minutes. You just want to make sure it gets a nice golden sear like that. Be careful when you're flipping these. Since this cream cheese mixture has gotten hot, it will start to leak out. All right, so once we have flipped them on both sides and they have that nice golden sear, like so, we're just gonna go ahead and we are going to place these in the oven on 350 for about 15 minutes. We just wanna make sure it is cooked in the inside as well. So this is what these look like fresh out the oven. As you can see, it is crispy, it is crunchy, and the chicken just looks absolutely juicy. I cannot wait to try this. So let's go ahead and plate this. I'm just gonna plate this with a little bit of salad on the side. However, you can serve this with whatever you want. You can serve this with some mashed potatoes, mac and cheese, etc. All right, so let's go ahead and cut into this. As you can see, that chicken is really tender and juicy, and that stuffing in the inside is really creamy and absolutely delicious. You can just taste all the different flavors from the sun-dried tomatoes, the onions, the mushrooms. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you did, be sure to check the description box. I have the full recipe with all the ingredients posted there so you can make this yourself. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.